I am Dominic Subong of BSECQA, and today I will demonstrate how to download Arduino IDE, install the necessary drivers, and test its functionality. So here at our homepage, we'll just search Arduino IDE, click this link, and in here, in the Arduino homepage, there are several options for downloads. We have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and others. Since we are using Windows, we'll just download the latest release for Windows and wait for it to download. Now that we have finished downloading, let's just click the file. So this here is the license agreement of Arduino IDE setup. Let's just agree to the policy. Next. So this is the Arduino IDE destination folder. We don't have to change that. Just wait for it to install. Mm. So since we have already installed the Arduino drivers before, you don't have this time you don't have to install it again. But if it is your first time installing Arduino IDE, then just install the necessary drivers, which will be shown via prompt, and you will just agree to it to install. Now we have our Arduino Uno R3. Let's just connect this. Uh, let's connect this to our laptop. We'll just agree to it. Also, this is the driver for the port. Just install, and the Arduino USB driver. Install this also. Install. Yes, we'll just wait for it to finish the setup. So if we insert this into our port, you should be able to hear a sound that means that the USB connecting the Arduino is recognized by the computer. Now we will test the functionality of our Arduino IDE. Let's just go to the file, examples, basics, and blank. You don't have to mind this word right here. To test the functionality of our Arduino, we'll look at this LED, and after configuration of the code, let's say we have 500 milliseconds that the LED will turn on and 500 milliseconds that the LED will turn off. To ensure that our Arduino Uno R3 is connected to our laptop, let's just go to the tools, here board. Let's just select Arduino Uno and port COM9 Arduino Uno. Then we should be able to upload this to our Arduino. Now, if you can see here, our Blink code is successfully uploaded to our Arduino Uno R3, and as you can see, it is blinking. Now we will test our Arduino Uno R3 and put a code into an actual circuit. So we have here our pre-written code that if one switch is pressed, the LEDs will blink alternately, and while the other switch is pressed, the LEDs will blink simultaneously. So we have here our already set up circuit. We'll just upload this code to our Arduino Uno. Now we will check if our code is working. So if we press this switch, the our our LEDs should blink alternately, and if we press this switch, our LEDs should blink simultaneously. So let's test it out. As you can see, the LEDs are blinking alternatively. So let's test the other switch. And the LEDs are blinking simultaneously. So that's all for today's demonstration. See you soon.